Hi, this is Palin Huang with Keller Williams Realty. Take a break from the heat this Saturday and come visit us in this light-filled split level in the renowned Jamesville-DeWitt School District. This spacious home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a living room with easy-to-use gas fireplace, dining room with sliders to the 3-season porch, and an eat-in kitchen with cabinet space galore. Added perks include a home office, lower-level family room, private yard and patio, first-floor laundry, and pegged oak hardwood floors. Convenience is another plus with proximity to LeMoyne College and Syracuse University, shopping, hospitals, and downtown Syracuse. And that's not all. This lovely home has an attractive new price. Come see for yourself this Saturday, July 13th, from 1 to 3 p.m. Hope to see you there.